Yeah, I've shared again.
Ma'am, it's still not visible. Like only 2 cameras.
You're sure I've shared my screen?
No, ma'am, I can't see. I can't see it. And your video is also stuck. Your video is also stuck completely.
Okay, boys,
It's
leave
like
the meeting and join again. Leave the meeting and join again, boys. Use the same
yeah.
link.
Oh, ma'am, now I can see the screen.
Ah, that's what.
Yeah, now I can. Yeah, the camera. Yeah,
What
now
about
it's
you? What about you,
Yeah,
Avnish?
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, I can also see nothing.
Okay, boys, fine. Okay, good evening once again, Navneet and Avnish.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Yeah.
evening.
Let's first discuss the answers to the assignment I had given in the last class. I'll come from the last one. I'll come from the 16th one. In a class test containing 15 questions. Okay, so a class test has 15 questions. 4 marks are given for every correct answer and -1 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Gokul attempts all questions, but only 6 of his answers are correct. What is his total score? So how do you find the total score?
Ma'am, actually, I didn't see this question, ma'am. I didn't see the question, only the 16th one. I completed till 15.
Okay, write down now, boys. Avnish, have you done this?
And no, ma'am, I don't have a time, ma'am. I have school project, ma'am.
Okay,
So I
fine.
didn't
We'll do
do.
it now in the class. Yeah, yeah. Okay, fine. We'll work it
I
now.
didn't do from 13 to 16, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, in 11th, third question, you have typed it wrongly, ma'am.
1 minute. Let's get started. 1 minute. We'll answer the 16th one and then I'll come back to that. Okay. Write down the question. Write down the 16th question and then write the answer.
Ma'am, can I continue from the after 12th question itself, ma'am?
Yeah, no problem, no problem. Anyways, you're writing the question, no? So it's
Okay.
okay. You can do that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, write on the 16th question.
Ma'am, should we write Gokul attempts all questions? Should we write that also?
Yeah,
good
let
evening.
me see.
Good evening, ma'am.
Oh, 1 minute. Yeah, you have to write Navneet. 1 and 2 also you should write.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, good evening, Anirudh. Good evening, Darshan. Please take down the 16th question. Have you completed the assignment, Anirudh?
Ma'am, what assignment, ma'am? That 15, 16.
Yeah,
Ma'am, I completely forgot.
no
No.
problem. No, now let's not waste time. Take down the 16th question. We are answering that.
Yeah, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. 1 minute.
Quickly take down the 16th question and we are answering that one.
Sorry, ma'am. I was late, ma'am. Because of that Teams app, it was not at all signing in, ma'am. It was showing wrong password and all.
Sorry. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, and also like, can you keep in other app, ma'am? Because it is very annoying in this app, ma'am. Whenever I put correct password and all, it will coming wrong password, ma'am.
No, but you don't have to enter any password here, no?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. First for some days it came correct only, ma'am, and then it gave sign in, ma'am. I put correct password, but it's showing wrong password, ma'am, like that.
Okay, we'll sort this out later. Okay, maybe tomorrow morning I'll call you sometime and we'll sort it out. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what should we write, ma'am? The 16th now.
Yeah, now it's time. That's all. Finish writing the questions. You leave some place. Anirudh, you can write it later. Yeah, Navneet and Avnish, have you written the question?
Done, ma'am.
Going to complete, ma'am.
Yeah, Avnish, sorry, Anirudh, you leave some place, write the question later.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So listen to me. What is the total number of, disable your mic, boys. What's the total number of questions? 15. And number of questions answered correctly by Gokul is 6. Mark for every correct answer is 4. So how much is he scored? 6 into 4, 24.
24.
Then what is the number of questions answered incorrectly? Totally 15 questions. Out of that, 6 are correct. So 15 minus 6, 9 answers. He's answered incorrectly. And what is the mark for every incorrect answer? -1. So what is the marks lost? 9 into -1, -9. So Gopal's total score Gokul's total score is equal to 24 plus minus 9, which is 15. Disable your mic, Navneet. You shouldn't repeat along with me. Disable your mic. Yeah, write down, children. Quickly write down. Done, boys?
No, ma'am. Last
No,
part.
ma'am.
Yeah.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, done, boys.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the answer for the first part, first subdivision about Gokul.
No, I'm almost done.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is about Gokul. Okay. Now look at Nina. Nina gets 12 of her answers correct. 12 correct. So I'll just make the changes here. You have to write the whole thing again. I'm changing it here. Okay. This is the first subdivision about Gokul. We have the second subdivision about Nina. Okay. I'm going to correct it here itself. Okay. So we'll do it together. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Total number of questions. How many questions, boys?
15.
15. Number of questions. This is for the second subdivision. Nina, this is for the second subdivision. Number of questions answered correctly?
12.
12. Nina answers 12 correctly. Total number of questions 15. And Nina answers 12 correctly. What is the mark for every correct answer?
4, ma'am.
4. Then what is the mark scored?
Ma'am, 12 into 4 is
12 into 4. 12 into 4 is 48.
Very good. Now, Number of questions answered incorrectly by Nina?
3.
Ma'am, 3.
How many?
3.
ma'am.
15 minus 12, 3.
15
15 minus 12, 3. What is the mark for every incorrect answer?
Minus 1.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
so
So what is the
3,
mark
ma'am.
lost?
Minus 3, ma'am. Minus 3.
Minus
How minus
3.
3? How minus 3?
Because she answered.
How did you get that number minus 3?
Ma'am,
I
not 3 wrong answers.
I multiplied it minus 1 into 3.
Yeah, 3 into minus 1.
My
3 into minus 1, which is minus 3. So what is
Minus-
Nina's total score? Nina's total score?
48, ma'am.
48 plus?
48 plus
3. Minus 3.
bracket minus 3. Bracket minus 3, which is 48 minus 3, and the score is 45.
Yeah.
45.
Please write this again. Please write the whole thing again. You don't rub it in the first subdivision and write all this. You should write all this again for Nina. Write down.
Completed, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Yeah, boys. Very good. Now, this is the test. 15 is a test. I want you to write it with the steps, boys.
Ma'am, can I take a screenshot of the 16th question's answer? Just a screenshot.
Can I take 16th question and questions, ma'am? Please, ma'am. Question.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, I took a screenshot. You could go to the next slide.
Ma'am, can you show the 16th? Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Now answer. Now work the 15th one, boys. Write down the question and work the 15th one with the steps. I'll ask you to read out with the steps.
Ma'am, even though okay.
If you've
Ma'am,
already
you have
done
to write
it,
question.
if you've already done it, fine. Otherwise, you will have to do it now.
Ma'am, I finished it, ma'am. I completed it.
Yeah, then you complete the screenshot which you have taken now, Navneet.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, should we write the question or answer?
No, you must write the question and then work the answer. Disable your mic. Okay. Written the 15th question, all of you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Fine, now we'll answer it. Now, what is the difference between the, tell me, what is the difference in the information given between the 15th question and the 16th question? What is the difference in information?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Anil.
Ma'am, they have given the total number of questions in the 16th question, but not in the 15th question.
Very good. Yes. In the 16th question, they have given the total number of questions. 15. In the 16th question, they have given the total number of questions is 15. But in the 15th question, you don't know how many questions were there in the paper. You don't know that. Very good. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
in 16th question, they have given the incorrect answers also, ma'am. We can check it, ma'am, but in this, they have given the marks, ma'am, but this many are correct, they are telling, ma'am.
Correct. So there is a difference. Both the questions are not the same. The questions are different. In the highlight is that in the 16th one, the number of questions is given. In the 15th one, the number of questions is not given. You have to find that. Okay, so in that sense, both the questions are not the same. Okay. Now in the 15th one, +5 for correct answer, -2 for wrong answer. Now, what is given about Rohan? He scored 24 marks. Okay, and how many correct answers? 8 correct answers. About Rohan, let's write about Rohan. Okay, so number of questions attempted correctly. Correct?
Yeah, ma'am.
Or let me just write Rohan. 1 minute. This is about Rohan. The first one is about Rohan. Okay, total score. How much is the score? Total score?
Ma'am,
What is
total
24.
24.
24. Okay, so yeah, questions answered correctly.
8, ma'am.
8.
Questions answered correctly.
8.
8. Then what is the marks scored for 8 correct answers?
Ma'am, 5 into 8.
Okay, it's given that he's answered 8 questions correctly. It is clearly given that he's answered 8 questions correctly. If he's answered 8 questions correctly, then how much is the mark for every correct question? Or for every correct answer? 5. 5. 5.
Ma'am, 40.
So he's good. He should have got 40 marks. 1 minute. So marks scored for 8 correct answers or 8 correct answers is equal to 8 into 5, 40. That means how much mark is lost? Marks lost is equal to, he's got 40, but actually the total score is only 24. That means he's lost 16 marks. How can he lose 16 marks?
Ma'am, 16 divided by 2, we can get the number of incorrect answers.
Correct. Okay, marks lost is 16. So what is the mark for every incorrect answer?
-2.
-2. Mark for every incorrect answer. Mark for every incorrect answer is -2. So number of answers incorrect is equal to, you should not divide by -2. Number of answers cannot be negative. Okay, so 16 divided by 2, 8. Do you all understand this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Any doubts?
Ma'am, Darshan, ma'am.
Yes, Darshan? Yeah, tell me, Darshan. Ask me. Okay, so it's given that Rohan, listen again. All of you listen again. It's given that Rohan's total score is 24. And it's also given that he's answered 8 questions correctly. Disable your mic. 8 questions. Disable your mic. 8 questions correctly. And what is the mark for every correct answer? 5.
5.
So if he's attempted 8 questions correctly, and if the mark for every correct answer is 5, he should have got 8 5s are 40. He should have got 40. But he scored only 24. He's answered 8 correctly. 8 into 5, 40 he should have got. Then how did he get 24? He's got less than that. He's got only 24. So how many marks he's lost? 40 minus 24. 16 marks he's lost.
16.
He's lost 16 marks. Why? Because he's answered some questions incorrectly. So mark for every incorrect answer is -2. So number of answers incorrect will be 16 by 2, which is 8. Because number of...
Ma'am, Darshan has raised his hands.
Yeah, I can't hear you, Darshan. Please tell me.
Ma'am, I can't understand this question, ma'am.
Darshan, you have not been attending the classes regularly, so it's difficult. I'll share the recordings. You need to watch all the recordings, and then I can help you if you still have a doubt. Okay?
Okay.
Because that's because you're not attending the classes regularly. You were busy with the matches, right? You had some tournaments. Your mom told me. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Don't
ma'am.
worry. We'll be starting a new chapter from tomorrow. And I'll share the meaning from the next class. I'll share all the recordings. Please watch the recordings you have missed. And then you can ask me if you have any questions. Okay, I'll definitely help you. But first watch the recordings. All right?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Is it fine, boys? Others?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now let's go. Let's talk about Sunita, not Sunita. Who's she? Smita. Now, Smita answered all questions and scored minus 15 marks. She's got negative marks. Smita answered all questions and scored minus 15 marks. Though Smita and it's given he, okay, though she got three correct answers. How many incorrect answers had they attempted? They meaning they're asking for both. For both, they're asking Rohan and Smita, both of them, how many incorrect answers they had attempted. So now talking about Smita, what is her score? Minus 15. How many correct answers? 3 correct answers. Smita's total score minus 15. Her correct answers 3. So let's answer for Smita now. Okay, so 15 for Smita, 2. Smita, correct?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, a total score. What is Smita's total score?
Ma'am, Smita's total score is minus 15.
Minus 15.
Minus 15. What is the number of questions?
Three.
Number of questions answered correctly. Number
Three.
of questions answered
Three.
correctly.
3.
3. Mark for every correct answer.
5, ma'am. 5.
5.
The mark for every correct answer. What is the mark for every correct answer? 5.
5.
Then what is the score or marks? See, you can write in your own words now. There's no fixed statements. So marks scored for 5 correct answers.
I'm 5 into 3.
So not 5 correct answers, sorry, 3 correct answers. I'm sorry, not 5. Marks scored for 3 correct answers.
5, 5, ma'am. So 3 is 5 into 3 is 15.
15. Now, so 15. So what are the marks lost? She should have got 15 marks. She should have got 15 marks. Because she's answered 3. 1 minute. She's answered 3 correctly. So that means for one correct answer, 5 marks. She's answered 3 questions correctly. So she should have got 3 into 5, 15. But her score is her score is minus 15. So what is the marks lost?
Ma'am, 30.
Marks lost.
30 minus 30.
How should I write that? How should I write marks lost?
Ma'am, that minus.
Yeah, I'm listening. Yes.
And 15 minus 2, ma'am.
No, like how will you find the marks lost? Whatever is the total score minus this one, right?
Yes, ma'am. 2 into 15 minus 15.
No, I'm sure you can use the number line and understand. So
Ma'am,
there is
15 into minus 2.
There's 15 here and there's minus 15 here. So she should have got 15 marks, but she's got only minus 15. So she's lost 15 plus 15, 30 marks she's lost, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
But how do you present that?
Ma'am, I think it is like 15 into minus 2.
No, no. Okay, use this one. What did you do here? What did you do here? What is the marks lost? Whichever is the greater thing. Whatever is greater minus the smaller value. That's the law. That is the marks lost. Whatever is the mark lost will be, what is the marks lost? Whatever is the greater score minus this one. So here the marks lost is 40 minus 24, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, just go back to the question. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
15 minus 15.
Ma'am, 15 minus 3. Minus 15 minus. Okay.
Minus 15 minus 15.
Yeah, minus 15.
Minus 15.
So the marks scored, she scored 15 marks. So 15 she scored. Minus 15. So 15 plus 15, 30 marks she's lost. See, exactly like this one. See here, like this.
Ma'am, but shouldn't it be like minus 30 since she lost?
No.
Oh.
That is when you multiply by the mark for every incorrect answer with a negative number, you get a negative value. The marks lost, see here, yeah. No problem. See, even if you're not able to write this one, do you at least understand? Now, 1 minute. I can even
I understand it. I understand the concept. But
all of you see here. All of you see here. 15 is here on the number line. There is 0 here. There's minus 15 here. Now, you have scored 15 marks. But actually, because of the incorrect answer, your total score is minus 15. That means you have lost 30 marks. All of you understand that?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Do you all understand that you have lost 30 marks?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So it's actually 15 minus 15. Exactly like what we did here. See here, 40 minus 24. 40 minus 24. Similarly, 15 minus 15. 15 minus 15. You must subtract these two numbers. You must subtract this one and this one. So you should write 15. See here. One minute. See here. You must write these two numbers and put a minus sign in the middle. You must write this number 15. And you must write this number minus 15. And you must put a minus sign in the middle. So 15 plus 15, 30 marks. She's lost. Smitha's lost. See here, that's what we did here. You can see 40. We wrote 40. Then we wrote 24 and we put a minus sign in the middle. Okay. So now, what is the mark for every incorrect answer?
Minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2.
Minus 2. So number of questions answered incorrectly will be? So the number of questions answered incorrectly. You have lost, she's lost 30 marks. She's
15,
lost 30 marks.
15.
15 because 30 by 2, 15, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
She's lost 30 marks and 2 marks for every incorrect answer. So 30 by 2, 15. So the number of questions answered incorrectly by Smita is 15 and by Rohan is 8.
Ma'am, actually I wrote the formula for this, like marks lost divided by marks lost for each incorrect answer. I wrote the formula also.
Oh, okay.
Like
No
my
problem.
own created formula.
Correct, correct. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay. Write down this answer and let me know, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
I'm done, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I ask you one thing? Ma'am?
Just a
Ma'am,
minute, boys. I'm on a call. Just a minute.
yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, boys. Yes, somebody want to ask something?
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am. I only, ma'am.
Yes, Anirudh?
Ma'am, can you use the Zoom app, ma'am? Zoom is more comfortable, ma'am. This app is not at all coming in my device, ma'am.
No, don't worry. I'll help you. No problem. I'll fix it for you. I told you because I've been using Teams for I think the last 3 years. So it's fine. I'll help you. I said tomorrow I'll call you and we'll fix it. Not an issue.
Okay, ma'am.
Teams is by Microsoft, and you know they are leaders in software technology. So the problem is somewhere else. It's not with Teams. I'll let you know. I'll fix it. Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. All right. All of you finish writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now see, these answers, now don't think these are the statements here are not very strict. You can write it in your own words. You must give the meaning, that's all.
Okay,
All right.
ma'am.
Yeah. Now, very important. Question number 14. I would like to do question number 13 first. 13 and then I'll do 14. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. The 13th one only I have a doubt in it. I don't understand the question only.
Yeah, yeah. Now, in question number 13, find the product using suitable proportion. Question number 13. The first one is 8759 into 8759 into 2391. 2391 minus 2391 into 7759. Correct? This is the question, right, boys? All right. Now, I'm going to use the letters A, B, C, D, and so on. Okay. I'm going to write A here. I'm going to write B here. I'm going to write B here because they're the same. And C here. Do you understand something, boys?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Now, these two numbers are the same, no? This number and this number. So whatever is common, you write that first. Whatever is common, see here. Oh my God. Yeah. So in both the, are you all there? Avnish, Anirudh?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Yes,
Darshan?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Darshan is not there, but others are there.
Okay. So see here, this is what you see before the minus sign, and this is what you see after the minus sign, correct? Now, in the two expressions, 2391 is common. So always write the given question. Whatever is given, you write that first. Whatever is given, you write that first. That's the first step. Okay, listen carefully. Now, in the next step, whatever is common, write that first. So, in this one, 2391 into 8759 minus, here this is already in the first place, 2391 into 7759. Do you understand what change I have made, boys?
Yes, ma'am. The order.
That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
See, it's like I have 3 into, okay, something like 13 into 5 minus 5 into 3. Say I have something like this, okay? Example, okay? I have 13 into 5 minus 5 into 3. So this is 13 into 5. This is 5 into 3. 5 is common in both. I'll write 5 in the first place. So like 5 into 13 minus 5 into 3. Understand this, boys?
Yeah, ma'am.
Now, Yeah, now see here. 5 is A, 5 is A, correct? Okay, now this is 13 is B and 3 is C. Now this is in the form A into B minus A into C. A into B minus A into C. A into B minus A into C is equal to A into B minus C. A into B minus A into C is equal to A into B minus C. This is the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. You need to remember this property. What is the property? Yeah, I'll write the property here. A into B plus A into C is equal to A into B plus C. Also, A into B minus A into C is equal to A into B minus C. Now memorize this. I'll ask you. I'll ask all of you. We have seen this. Distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Ready? Yeah. Anirudh, tell me the distributive property using X, Y, Z.
Ma'am, what, ma'am? Addition or subtraction? Like,
Both.
ma'am, x into y minus z is equal to x into y minus x into z. Ma'am, and then x into y plus z is equal to x into y plus x into z.
Very good. Avinash?
Same, ma'am.
Yeah. Using P and Q.
P and Q are, ma'am.
PQR.
PQR, okay. P into Q plus R is equal to P into Q plus P into R.
Ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, there's like there's a like you have written A into B, I think.
Oh my God,
Eh,
sorry. Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
I
Yeah.
think they're copying the formula and telling it.
Oh, no, you cannot say that, Navneet. No. You
Oh
cannot say
no,
that.
no, sorry, I didn't meant that, but yeah, it was there. I just meant it was there.
Yeah. Yes, Avinash.
Yes, ma'am. P into Q minus R is equal to P into Q minus P into R.
Very good. Navneet, use C, D, and E.
C into D plus C into E is equals to C into D into E.
No.
C into D minus C into E is equal to C into D minus E.
Yeah, C into D minus E.
Yeah.
C. Yeah. Okay. So C into D plus C into E
To
is
E,
equal to C into D plus E.
D plus E, yeah.
C into D minus C into E is equal to C into, you can put an into sign also here, into D minus E.
D minus E.
Okay, so fine. All of you have understood. We're using that property here, children. We're using that property here. So for that, we have to do some rearrangement and then use the, the property. The question here is actually using a suitable property. You should correct it, not proportion.
That's why I didn't understand the question only. Like using the suitable proportion.
Yeah. Okay, so now I said whatever is common, right, put that in the front. So we put 2391 in the front because that is common. Now you can write the identity. Look at this and write the identity. Now, how does this look like? This one looks like A into B minus A into C. So what is the answer? A into, what is the answer?
Ma'am, first we should multiply A into B and then A into C.
A
and come
into A and B minus C.
Where A is equal to,
Where A is equal to 2391.
B is equal to,
8759.
and C is equal to?
7759.
Okay. Now the question looks like this, right? The question
ma'am.
looks like this, right?
Yes.
So you must write this as the answer. This is the answer. This is in a property, you know, on one side you'll have the question, on the other side you'll have the answer. So the question looks like A into B minus A into C. What you have now looks like A into B minus A into C. So your answer should be A into B minus C. So in the next step, you must write A into B minus C. What is A? 2391 into B minus C, 8759 minus 7759. So that's equal to 2391 into, what is 8759 minus 7759?
1000, ma'am.
1000. So what's the product?
2391000.
Now imagine you had to multiply these two numbers, 8759 and 2391. Then multiply 2391 and 7759, and then you'll have to subtract. How long do you think you would have taken?
5 minutes?
Really?
No, actually not 5, like 2 to 3 minutes.
Navneet, you didn't understand my question, Navneet. Navneet, you know what? You always assume that somebody is saying something. You don't, you have to focus more. Avnish, what did I say, Avnish?
Ma'am, you asked if we multiplied 8759 into 2391, then
Okay, how long will you take for that, Avnish? How long will you take for this one alone? Roughly.
10 minutes.
Yeah. This one?
This one, 10
Almost
minutes.
same time. Then you
Yes,
should
ma'am.
subtract. So
Yes,
at
ma'am.
least you'll take some 15 minutes to finish this.
Yes,
Roughly 10 to 15 minutes you will need. Now in this method, how long will you take?
5 minutes.
You can finish it faster. That is the advantage of using a property. That is the advantage of using a property.
Yes, ma'am.
When we use a property, we save time in the simplification process. We save time in the simplification process. That's why we use an identity or a property. All right. Yeah, write down, children. It's very, very important. Write down.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, should we write the examples?
So I'll just finish it for you. So for the example, it will be the answer will be 5 into 13 minus 3. So it will be 5 into 10, which is 50. The answer is 50. If you actually do also, you'll get 50. What is 13 5s are 65. Minus 5 3s are 15. So same answer you will get.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, next one. Minus 9785 into 937. 9785. Minus 9785 into 937 plus minus 215 plus minus 215 into 937. So now tell me, I don't have to explain. You need to first write what is given. So first write what is given. Whatever is the question, you need to write that first. Next, tell me what should I do, children?
Ma'am, change, ma'am.
Ma,
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
937 into minus
937 into minus minus 9,785 plus 937 into minus 200 and 215.
So you're just rearranging. You're just rearranging it. Like you have 4 into 5 plus 6 into 5, for example. You're just writing 4 into 5 as 5 into 4. That's all. And you're writing the 6 into 5 as 5 into 6. That's all. And this plus in as it is. You're not changing anything. We know that multiplication is commutative. A into B is equal to B into A. We know that. Multiplication is commutative. So the order we are changing, that's all. This is like, see, this one is, it's like A into B. So we are writing it as B into A. That's all. We're just changing the order, nothing else. Do we understand this clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see here, this is A into B plus A into C. Okay, so what is the property? A into B plus A into C is equal to A into B plus C, where A is equal to?
A is equal to
937
B is equal to 9
9,000
minus
minus
9,785 C
minus 215.
So now, this is the, okay, now this is the question looks like this. The question looks like this, correct? So this is your answer. Because the question looks like A into B plus A into C. So you must write the answer as A into B plus C. So A, this is A into B plus C. B, this is B. This is B. See here, this is C. This is C plus and put a square bracket. Did you understand how I wrote it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I'll write it again for you. See here, I'll write it again for you. See here. Okay, the answer is A into, answer is A. This is A into B plus C. B is negative, so you should write that in a bracket. And C is also negative, you should write that in a bracket. B plus C, B plus C. So you should use a square bracket. 937 into B plus C. So that is equal to 937 into minus 9785 minus 215. I'm just opening the bracket.
215.
Yeah, now simplify this and tell me. What is 9 minus this minus this?
10,000, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, can I use the bathroom 1 minute?
Yeah, please come back. Yeah.
Ma'am, minus 10,000.
Minus 10,000.
Ma'am,
Minus
how,
10.
ma'am? But minus into minus plus.
You're not multiplying. Minus 9785
Oh,
minus.
okay. Sorry. Yeah, minus 10,000. Yeah.
Same signs, add and put the same sign.
Yeah. Sorry.
So what's the answer?
Ma'am, 9 minus 9. Ma'am, minus 93 lakh 1,000.
Minus 93 lakh 37,000.
93 lakhs 37,000.
93 lakh. Once again. Nine lakhs 37,000.
No.
Minus 9 lakh 37,000. Minus.
No.
Minus 93 lakh 7,000.
No.
Bro.
Yeah, Avinish. Anirudh. Yeah, no, how do you read that number?
Ma'am, 93 lakhs.
Ma'am, minus 93 lakh 7,000.
No.
Minus 93 lakh 70,000.
70,000 minus 93 lakhs 70,000.
How?
Yes, Anirudh.
No, ma'am, it's me.
I'm not me.
Navneet, but ma'am, it's me, Navneet, but like this is ones. This is like one, like this the hundredths place. No, then how can we count that also? And zero also doesn't have any value in this.
Place the commas first. 9,
Oh,
3,
oh,
7,
okay,
1,
okay.
2, 3. This is the number.
Oh.
Place the commas.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, I got it now. Yeah, minus 93 lakh 70,000.
Yeah, boy. So this is how you use the property. Next one. 35 into minus 25 35 into minus 25 plus minus 4 into 10. Oh, no. 35 into minus 25 into 4 into minus 4 into 10, children. Into minus 4 into 10. Okay, so here there is no property because it's multiplication everywhere. You can see that it's multiplication everywhere. So here there is no property, but you should carefully multiply. You must carefully multiply. See, you should not multiply these two numbers. You should not multiply these two numbers and these two numbers. You must carefully multiply. So you must produce. You should multiply numbers which can produce zeros in the end. So like when you multiply 25 and 4, it's 100, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So first multiply these two. 35 into 25 into 4 is 100. Minus into minus plus. So 100 into 10. Now it's easy. What's the final answer? 35 followed by 3 zeros.
35,000.
Yeah. So here there is no property, but the thing is you should multiply it in a particular order. Wherever, it makes your work simpler.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, for example, listen to this. Listen to this one, children. Supposing you have this product, you'll have to find this product. Supposing you have to find this product. Okay, you should not multiply 125 into 500, then that into 8, that into 2. You should not do that. You will take a longer time to get the product. So you should rearrange. What you should do, you know that 125 into 8 is 1000 and 500 into 2 is also 1000. So you must rearrange like this. You must rearrange like this. You know that multiplication is, multiplication is associative, commutative. You can change the order. You can change the order. So now 125 into 8 is 1000 into 5000 into 500 into 2 is 1000. So now this is 1 followed by 6 zeros. So see, we finished. We found the product so easily, so quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise,
Ma'am, I think you made the mistake in 35 into 100 into 10. You should have put in another 10.
No, I'm right. Avnish and Anirudh, is there any mistake?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Navneet, what do you think is the mistake?
No, ma'am, like you have put 100 instead of the other 10.
Avnish, clarify, help him, no? He has a doubt. Just answer his question.
Yeah, ma'am.
He's telling, his question is, I've written 10 instead of something. I've written 100 instead of 10, he's saying.
How 100 will come?
So, Avnish, how did I get 100?
Ma'am.
Oh, okay. You multiplied it minus 25 and minus 4 and you got 100.
Minus into minus plus.
I put a bracket also below and I also told you. Where are you? Navneet, are you able to focus?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Oh, no, I didn't say that. I did explain that. See, I put a bracket also below. In spite of that, you had a doubt.
No, ma'am. I forgot about it. Sorry.
Yeah, children, please write down. Done writing, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so we'll just answer this quickly. You can complete this later. 14th. In 14, yeah, in the 14th one, 14th means first one, 39 divided by minus 13. So what's the answer?
-3.
Minus 3. Second one, minus 729 divided by 9.
-81.
Minus 81. Correct. And the third one, minus 144 divided by minus 12.
12.
Ma'am, minus
12.
12.
12. 12.
No, ma'am, minus 1.
Only 12. Only 12.
12. Because minus divided by minus is plus.
Plus.
Or you can cancel the minus signs. Okay. Then the fourth one. Minus 2 lakhs. How much is that? 20,000.
20,000, ma'am.
20,000. Yeah.
Divided by minus 200. So minus and minus cancel. 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 100. So the answer is 100, correct?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Fifth one. 20513 divided by minus 1. What's the answer?
Minus
One.
20,513. Minus.
Sorry.
We
Minus
just
10.
need to put minus and the number itself, the 20,513.
Correct. Next one is in the sixth one, it is minus 49 divided by what will you get? What is for minus 48 divided by minus 1? What's the answer?
Ma'am,
Uh,
49, ma'am. 49.
48. 48.
That's plus, sir. 1 minute. I'm not able to see the sign correctly. 1 minute.
Yeah, ma'am, that's
It's plus. Sir. Oh, minus 48 plus minus 1. So what is that for minus 48 plus minus 1?
Plus 49. Sorry, plus 49.
That's 49.
How plus 49, children?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. I think it's 47.
So 1 minute, 1 minute. See, first it is minus 48. Open it, open the bracket. Then this plus into minus is what?
Minus.
What is this plus into minus?
Minus, ma'am.
Minus. So then 1 will come out. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now in the next step, minus 49 divided by what? Same signs. So you'll add and put the same sign. Add and put the same sign, correct?
Same
Yes,
sign.
ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
it is minus.
We said minus 49 only.
Yeah, you can stick to your answer. No, I didn't say it's wrong.
Oh, okay. I thought you said it was
1, ma'am. 1.
1. The answer is 1.
1.
And the seventh one? Seventh one?
Minus 1. Minus 1.
Is it
Minus
plus
1.
or division? I don't know.
No, ma'am. It's division. We could like somewhat see the dots. It's division. The answer is minus 1.
Oh, my minus 1, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So 84 divided by minus 12. So 84 divided by 12 is 7.
7.
And plus divided by minus is minus.
Minus.
Divided by 7. So it is minus 1, correct?
Minus 1. Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then if you simplify the bracket, what will you get? Minus 10 plus or division, that is?
Ma'am, plus, ma'am.
Plus, ma'am. Plus. This
Okay.
time
What is
plus.
that? What is it? Minus 10? What is minus 10 plus 5?
5, ma'am. Minus 5.
5.
Minus 5.
Children, you should give the correct answer in the first place.
Ma'am, it's -5, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's -5, ma'am.
-5.
-5. Yeah, -5. Then divided by, what is 20 plus into plus of -15?
-5.
Ma'am,
-5.
5, ma'am, 5.
5. No, I don't want such
5,
answers
ma'am.
from next class, Navneet. Plus into minus is minus.
Ma'am, so 20 minus 15 is 5, ma'am.
5. Yeah, it is 5. So what is -5 divided by 5? -1.
-1.
You must first simplify the bracket. You must first
Yes,
simplify the brackets. So what do we have in the bracket? In this bracket, we have -10 plus 5. So that's -5. And then simplify this bracket. Plus into minus is minus. When you have two signs, you should multiply and make it one sign. When you have two signs, you should multiply the signs and make it only one sign. So plus into minus is minus. Now what is the question? 20 minus 15. What is 20 minus 15? Only 5 plus 5.
+5, yes.
So -5 divided by 5 is -1.
Minus.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, boys, maybe you can take a screenshot of this slide to complete all the answers of the 14th one.
Okay. No, ma'am, I already completed it.
Okay.
Maybe because if you have to check your answers, if you have not done and you need to check your answer, just
Okay,
take a screenshot to be safe.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Done, Avnish?
Yes.
Navneet?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, come done, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, Anirudh. Okay. All right, boys, you might have a class tomorrow, online class tomorrow, an extra class tomorrow. I'll let you know, okay? So by tomorrow morning, I'll let you know. By 8 o'clock, I'll let you know.
Ma'am,
Okay,
8
ma'am.
o'clock class, ma'am.
No. If you have a class, it will be maybe from 10 to 11 or something like that, or 11 to 12, like that.
Oh,
Only
okay,
for 1 hour. Only 1 hour class.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Ma'am, offline or online, ma'am? Offline means okay, ma'am.
Oh, because you have the problem with Teams, is it?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. We have to clear, that is more comfortable.
Yeah, that's more comfortable for me also. I can complete more. But today it just started raining. And the thing is, if the power goes down, I have, the backup, but I'm scared. Today it was raining very badly. If the power fails, then it will be difficult. I have the backup, but still I was a little worried because I have a class after yours. I have a 10th standard class after yours. So I was not sure if the battery will help me for for 5 hours at a stretch. You understand?
Yeah, yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, if the current goes and comes off in some half an hour or something is fine. Supposing there's a power shutdown and I have to, manage with the backup for 5 hours, it will be difficult.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. So I have the backup, but I have to still improve it. Only then it'll support 5 hours of online classes without the power. Okay, that's the
ma'am.
reason. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, so
Okay.
tomorrow will be a doubt. Maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow
A doubt session, I think.
I'll update by today, Anirudh. I understand your concern. I'll update by today. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, boys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah. See you.